Am I the asshole for not changing my baby's name again after I changed it for my sister once already? I have a 9-year-old daughter, and another on the way. I had 2 grandmothers, Annie and Rose. I named my oldest Annabelle, after Nanny Annie, whose full name was also Annabelle. I did not name her after Nana Rose, as at the time she was born, Nana Rose was still with us. When I found out I was pregnant with a second, I decided to name her after Nana Rose, who passed in 2017. My sister, Lucy, got pregnant about 5 months before me. She says that she wants to name her baby Rose, after Nana Rose. I say our kids can share the name. She says I already have Annabelle, and I could have named her Annabelle Rose or something, but passed up the chance, so I can't also have Rose. I figure this is not the hill to die on, so I say I'll look for something else, but reserve the right to use Rose. I then crack open a baby book, and a few entries after Rose is Rosalie. It's perfect. Honors Nana Rose, doesn't piss off Lucy, and my boyfriend loves it. Lucy finds out the new name and says it's lovely and she approves, which annoys me, but I say nothing. This all takes place in the 8th month of her pregnancy, 3rd month of mine, so I don't even know the gender yet, and this is all hypothetical. A couple weeks later Lucy gives birth. A few days ago, about a month after birth, she announces that her daughter's name is Rosalie. At this point, I'm really annoyed, because I went to great lengths to leave the name Rose available, and she's nicked my choice. Mom calls me to say she knew what Lucy was planning and she hopes I'm not upset, because this means I can now name my incoming daughter Rose. Except I'm now attached to Rosalie. I tell Mom that I'm sticking with Rosalie. She says Lucy has Rosalie. I say there's going to be 2 Rosaies in the family. She says this is impractical as both Rosaies will have the same surname. Sister is a single mom, boyfriend is taking my name, and they will likely be in the same school and year group, so this will cause all manner of issues. I say if it's going to be an issue, then I'll deal with it when it comes up. Lucy then calls me, calling me an inconsiderate prick, and says I'm being petty, that I don't have a monopoly on the name, and that she can name her kid what she likes. I said that's all true, so by that same logic I can use Rosalie. She says there can't be 2 Rosaies, as it'll cause problems, and I say she's the one who has a problem with it, so she can change her kid's name or deal with it. She again called me an inconsiderate, spiteful ass, and hung up. Mom, Dad, and our brother all side with Lucy.